happy Thanksgiving to my man, White Man. He's just looking for some Thanksgiving dinner, this cat. Get in there then. Alright, let's start this video up. What's up, YouTube? It is Shane Stevens, and we are back with the video of what we did with all those hay bales. Right now, we're in the shop with them kind of straightened up, and we are about to spray paint some faces and some tombstones and some this and that on it. You'll see, and then we'll head to the parade and we'll truck around through there. If you're local and you see yourself, let me know in the comments. If you're not from around here, hopefully someday you can make it, because it's a good time, it's a good weekend. At the beer tent's always fun. It was great to see a bunch of locals. Hopefully we'll see even more next year. Alright everybody, welcome to the video. I don't know if anyone remembers the show Art Attack, but I kind of feel like that's what's up. So we got that extra face on there. Still gotta do a little touch up to the mouth. But these Heartland Farm signs are gonna look so good. We are looking good. Not quite done on this side by no means, but we're getting there. We got our cross, we got our tombstone, we got our Heartland Farm sign. We're gonna put another tombstone and grass here. We got the big Stevens LTD YouTube play button. You know what it means. Follow the channel. I shut down the shop door, forgot to do a little clip of how we turned out for the night. Other side looks about the exact same. Got to get the RIP in my second tombstone. Got the big old Stevens LTD play sign. I leave for a second and the guy gets in there and gets his hand dirty. Thankfully we're having Jake drive the big new white truck. Hey, driver, she's looking good. So like I said, we're going to be taking this big beast, and it hasn't been washed up real good in quite some time. So apparently today's the day. The wind kind of just died down, so that's awesome, because we're getting the old 503 out, giving this a 503, this a 503, and my truck a 503. Alright, let's get a little before and after shot here. Quick reminder of how good we're looking in here. Got some things to do on this in here. Zach the Polish Man is coming back on his own time just to help out, get her all really ready to roll, so appreciate that. All the above is going above and beyond. Right now I'm gonna unwrap these but that'll be in the video of like this truck. So that's gonna be happening right now. There we are, all unwrapped. I got all this stuff on here that the polish man's coming out and he's gonna get her all off and it'll be looking good. That was actually a lot more work peeling that off than I thought it would be. We are clean on the inside, about to be clean on the outside. You can really see there the difference in where I've scrubbed and where I haven't. Unfortunately, she's gonna get dark quick, so I don't really be able to show you till tomorrow when it's all done, but yeah, check that out. That's insane. Phew, she gave me a looking beauty. Needed it. You can really, really see her there. That is quite the difference. 503. Gotta love it. Well, you definitely cannot see, like, oh, you kind of can. She got dark pretty quick, all right? There, you can really see her there. Oh, look at the difference in that. Jesus. All right, we'll keep going. Good as new. We'll check her out again in the morning, that's for sure. See if we missed anything, but I think she's gonna be looking pretty good. Both sides done, truck done. Just gotta do my truck and the wheels on the flatbed, and then the wheels on the bus go round and round. Well, that is a finished product until the morning when the sun comes out and then I see all the spots I missed. But now it's flatbed, polish man's here. Oh boy. We're using this truck to light up these wheels. Yeah, so those were not looking right clean enough. But now we are looking good. Well, this thing is up next for the wash. Done. Just about done. The old indoor wash. Looks like a whole different damn truck right now. And I ain't complaining at all. Well, she is like just as clean as can be. I haven't seen this truck that white in super long time. Well, she's all washed up. Zach from All the Above Polishing is out here on his own time, getting them front rims done up. He's coming with me in the parade tomorrow. She gonna be looking good. I feel bad. Probably should have jacked up that front axle, but he's getting her done. We are ready to go. got Jake up front. He's going to be leading the way today. We are on the side of the road. I got to unstrap all this. Alrighty, she is all hands on trucks and decorations. Oh yeah, she's coming along. It is busy, oh so busy. Hey, I can't do that. Whoa. Cord stock coming down. Guess I should have got the roof. We are ready to go. What? I don't have like anything to really attach them with this year. Pardon? I don't really have anything to attach them with this year. A big old Hansford setup. Our competition, even though there's no judgment this year. Lame, because we would have been winning. There's a lot of stuff in this parade this year. Every side's your good side, brother! Oh, Jake's got the big rig fired up. I guess we are rolling. Ready to go. Nice out, buddy. Oh, yeah. Hello. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody! yourself, brother! How's that soccer? It was scary.
I believe it, yo. I believe it.
Charlie and them are way back there.
Oh, did they? Do you want Jake to slow it?
Yeah. Slow her down just a touch there again, dude.
What did you say?
Slow her down just a bit if you can.
Okay, I got like a huge gap in front of me, that's all.
To give me a Happy Thanksgiving, guys! Thanks for coming out! The old girl shaking. Good clip. What's going on, neighbor? I don't even know where our candy handlers are. They're still.
Did we lose them?
Oh, they're back there.
I can't keep slowing down.
No.
We got a gap. Everyone's just going too fast. Give her a little gas. I ain't driving anymore, baby. I ain't driving anymore. Thanks, Big. There's huge gaps in this parade.
Car. Jake's still in.
Yeah, apparently. Jake still be snapping. I still be snapping. Rap, rap. Happy Thanksgiving!
Do we turn right in here where the black pickup is?
Yes, sir.
Aye, aye, Captain.
What's up, Tommy? Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving! Hey, Lynn! I love you! These two my babysitters.
I don't know.
Got me fixed it for it, quit 2 weeks after he started driving it.
Exactly.
Yes, sir. Can I go?
Oh, God. Oh, boy. Tiggs. Let's get that on the old YouTube. Can I get a big wave? Big wave? Hi. Oh, she's happy. Tiggs. Getting her done. Oh, boy. Good show.
Don't get hit by the skeleton.
Oh, I won't. You should try to show off the shirt.
Got around her with the truck, that's all that matters. And slow through there. This is like my dad used to do way back in the day when I wasn't even born.
Really?
Exactly.
Cool.
Exactly this. You pull in, go around the horse track and park up there for the weekend. Demo derby getting all fired up. We are on the horse track. Never been out here. Get some gates moved for the special crew.
I never got this road treatment before.
I haven't come through this way before either. Parade's still going down the road. Oh, I didn't get this stuff down here. No. That's nice and quiet. No, hold on. Keep going. Yep. Beauty, beauty. Thanks for the help, brother. Thanks for the help, puppy. No, not you. Ah, just kidding. Well, see, it's the holiday Monday. It rained for like 12 hours on the Saturday night. So I didn't really get to record much after. I was having a good time. She was a good time. I'm finally here to collect the trucks and bring them home. Just letting them air up. Chase boys still gotta leave, but they got all their bales gone. I gotta strap everything down and take off all the decorations. All right, let's get these babies home. Well, it's come time to dismantle. Bring her back. Yep. Oh boy. All right, let's fill this beast up. I gotta take both of these back myself, so it's just gonna be a couple trip kind of day. Oh well. We'll get her done. Good spot for the corn. Signs back on top and strapped. Get all that stuff and we are gone.
$7.88 per pound, only until October 11th. Head to your local Metro or see metro.ca for deals. Ways to win millions of prizes. Supplies last. Chances of big change as prices upgrade. Chances of winning increase as prices based on time of current entry. See rules at participating McDonald's in Canada or at mdpromotion.ca.
And now there is just mine left. Before I leave, I want to say thank you to the polished man, Zach, for coming out and helping me. These are Durbrights, but he made these fenders look good. He made this light bar look good. He made the whole truck look good. We got the whole paint washed up, and yeah. Realistically, big time help, big time thank you to him. Well, thank you, Dorchester, for another wonderful year. We will be back next year, maybe have another truck here, or more, who knows. Either way, comment, let me know what you think. Like the old video if you like the video. Comment, like, subscribe, says my mom. Appreciate her, so exactly that. Comment, like, subscribe. Ew, I hate spiders. Comment, like, subscribe. We will see you on the next one.